know.
What is your profession?
Everything that I'd owned, I threw it out the window, came along. Streamways I know will part the colors of my sea. It's a perfect colored sea. Streamways that held me, they held me out late at night. Stream places I had gone, that never seen any light. Dirty basements, dirty noise, dirty places coming home. Stream worlds alone, did you ever like it then? I would stand in line for this. There's always room in life for this. Oh babe, then it fell apart. It fell apart.
I'm Spartacus! I'm Spartacus!
Oh, babe.
I'm Spartacus!
Oh,
I'm
babe.
Spartacus! I'm
Then it
Spartacus!
fell apart. It fell apart. Extreme sounds have told me, they held me down every night. I didn't have much to say, I didn't give up the light. I closed my eyes, I closed myself and closed my world, and never opened up to anything that could get me at all. I had to close down everything, I had to close down my mind. Too many things could cut me, too much could make me blind. I've seen so much in so many places, so many heartaches, so many faces, so many dirty things you couldn't even believe. I would stand in line for this. There's always room in life for this. Oh babe, then it fell apart. It fell apart. Oh babe, then it fell apart. It fell apart. Oh babe, so much, so again, when you know it can, when you know it can.
This is Sparta!